What if I told you that almost anything, your artwork, your company shares, even your AI model, could become a digital asset? Sounds wild, right? But it's not magic, it's called tokenization. And I will show you how it really works, step by step, using RPOnChain. Tokenization simply means giving your real-world item a secure digital ID on the blockchain. It's like taking something you own, proving it's really yours, and putting that proof online where everyone can see it safely. With RPOnChain, you can list all kinds of assets like company shares, bonds, collectibles, artworks, patents, even data or AI models. All you need is proof of ownership, a quick upload of your document, and you're ready to go. When you submit your asset, it goes through 3 simple stages. Firstly, in review, your proof is checked, then write confirm, so this means your ownership has been verified. And thirdly, chained. It means your asset has become live, traceable token on a blockchain. The process is super easy. Step 1, go to RPOnChain and sign in. Step 2, choose your asset type. Step 3, upload your documents and other relevant details. And step 4, submit for review. And in a short term, your status moves forward in review to write confirmed and finally chained. In these very simple steps, you can tokenize your assets. Why does this matter? Because tokenization makes ownership very simple. It saves paperwork, prevents disputes, and helps your asset be seen by investors and other buyers anywhere in the world. So whether you are an artist or a business owner or a tech creator, you can turn your work, your ideas, or your project into verified assets. The key is to start with a proof. So in these very simple steps, you can tokenize anything. So are you ready to take your first step into tokenization? You can visit RPOnChain or contact us via Telegram or WhatsApp.